super-crested cockatoo naman. And Kuya Jeffrey, ano ba yung gagawin ni Nigel for her birthday celebrants this morning?
Sing and dance.
Naku, magsising and dance daw si Nigel. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin. Music, maestro! We have Nigel turning around. Sway side by side. Ay, palakpakan naman po natin si Nigel, everyone. By the way, ano yung kinakanta ni Nigel? He is singing Tarat-tarat. Now, once again, in behalf of the Malagos Garden Resort family and our teacher birds this morning, happy birthday po to all of our birthday celebrants. And may you have many more birthdays to come. So that's it for our first class. Can everybody please say bye, Nigel? So, nag-ring na po yung bell, which could only mean that we are now bound to our next class. But before we proceed to that, let me first ask everyone, ano ba yung favorite subject ninyo? What's your favorite subject? Ayun, ang daming nagsabing recess time daw. And actually, most of you are right. Because here in Malagos Bird School, it already is recess time. Because we in Malagos believe that education and nutrition should go hand in hand, especially for birds with specific types of diet. So to start our recess time this morning, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome one of the Malagos Bird Ambassadors, Kapitan. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Kapitan, a Philippine Hawk Eagle. Kapitan was donated to us by the local barangay captain of Barangay Baguio, thus his name. Kapitan was donated with a broken leg, and due to this, he can barely fly. We nursed him back to health, and Kapitan is now one of our swiftest flyers. Can everybody please say hi, Kapitan? Now, as part of our recess time, as you can see, Kapitan is eating something over there. Now, ang tanong, ano kaya yung kinakain ni Kapitan? What do you think is Kapitan eating? He is eating a chicken or a meat. That's right, because Kapitan is a raptor bird. And raptors are type of birds who eat meat like fish, rabbits, beef, rats, at iba pa. Now, did you know there's actually two types of raptors? The diurnal and the nocturnal raptor. Kapitan over there is a diurnal raptor or a bird na gising sa umaga. So, who can give me an example of a nocturnal raptor or a bird that is awake at night? Owls, that's right. So may I ask everyone to please look at the right side of the amphitheater? Okay, let us all be silent, everyone. It seems like our teacher bird is kind of shy this morning, so let us all be silent. Okay, it seems like our teacher bird is kind of shy, so let us all cheer Teacher Brian. Let's say, go Teacher Brian! Go Teacher Brian! And by the way, we have over there Brian, our Philippine Eagle Owl. So while Brian was flying from the window pane up until here, did you happen to hear anything? May narinig po ba kayo? I'm sure wala. That's because owls do have a silent flight pattern. Literally, hindi nyo po sila maririnig na lumipad no matter how hard they flap their wings. And that's because of their fine sets of feathers. Now, Brian is not the only owl you're gonna be meeting this morning. Coming from my back, we also have Noah. everybody meet Noah, one of the most beautiful owls that we have here in Malagos Garden Resort. By the way, Noah is a common grass owl. And common grass owls love to live in lowland areas. And usually, dito sila nakikita ng ating mga farmers while they are tending their lands. Now, once again, Brian and Noah are still not the only owls we're going to be meeting this morning. Coming from my right, we also have Ina. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Ina, our Everett Fox owl. Now, I would like to ask everyone, nakikita ba ng lahat si Ina? Can everybody see Ina? Very good. So, Ina might be small, but Ina actually has the biggest story out of all the owls that we have here. Ina was donated to us by the principal and teachers of Inayangan National High School, thus her name. Her nest fell from a tree during a strong rain, and they were supposed to be a brood of 3, but only Ina was able to survive. That is why Ina might be small, but she is considered to be one of the strongest owls that we have here in Malagos Garden Resort. So can everybody please say hi, Ina? So by now, you might be wondering, what do owls eat? They actually eat rats and rodents. That is why they're very beneficial to farmers because they eat the pest in their farmlands. And by the way, we are done with raptors. Tapos na po tayo sa ating meat-eating bird. And this time, I'm going to introduce a different type of bird with a different type of diet. So I guess everybody is ready? Please help me welcome. Our next teacher bird is going to be Terry. Come on, Terry. Isang Mindanao Tariktik hornbill o isang Mindanao endemic bird. That means, dito lamang po sila sa Mindanao makikita. So if you're visiting from Luzon, from Visayas, or from other countries, you are very fortunate because you are able to see this Mindanao endemic bird. You know what? There's actually a sad story about this bird because their population is continuously decreasing because of deforestation. Dahil tayong mga tao, hindi na po natin napapansin na unti-unti na po nating nakukuha ang kanilang mga tirahan. Where they once lived for them to breed and to multiply. That is why here in Malagos Garden Resort, we advocate wildlife conservation breeding program. And as a matter of fact, through the efforts of late Dr. Bo Pantestina, we are very glad to tell you that we have successfully bred 3 of this Mindanao endemic bird over the years in captivity, which is a very difficult thing to do, but because of love, passion, and commitment, nothing is really impossible. I am sharing this because I would like to encourage every one of you to please help out in preserving this very beautiful and fragile environment of ours and the wildlife that we have. Magtulungan po tayo. And since nandito pa tayo sa ating recess time, papakainin po natin si Terry. And to help us do that, earlier we pre-selected a volunteer. So may I call on Miss Angeline Laco. Please proceed here in front, ma'am. And we have over there our animal technician to help you and to assist you on what to do. Ayan, so it seems like our volunteer is ready. Terry is ready as well. Come on, Terry. Palakpakan naman po natin si Terry at ang ating volunteer. Once again, thank you very much for volunteering and for helping us feed Terry this morning. So of course, we are still not done yet with hornbills. And this time, I'm going to bring out Bingo. Come out, Bingo. So kung kanina po, si Terry ay isang Mindanao Tariktik Hornbill. Ito namang si Bingo ay isang Rufus Hornbill. Or locally, tinatawag natin silang Kalaw. Very good. So here in Baguio District, nako, ang dami-dami pong mga kalaw dito. And that's because of the forest that we have here. Napakarami kasing punong kahoy dito sa ating kagubatan. And usually, yan ang gustong-gusto ng ating mga kalaw. Now, let me share to you a distinct characteristic about this bird. You know what? Kalaw or hornbill has a distinct look and has a distinct sound that resonates. Napakaingay po talaga ng mga ibon na ito. As a matter of fact, our local tribes use hornbills as clock in the forest. Because at a certain time of the day, like 5 a.m., 12 noon, or 5 in the afternoon, they start making noise. Nag-iingay po talaga sila. Now, at this point naman, ipapakita po namin sa inyo on how hornbills move around in the forest. Come on, Bingo! Ayan, so as you can see, hornbills are quite different because aside from flying, they actually love to hop and to jump from branches to branches. So that is how hornbills move around in the forest. And since nandito pa tayo sa ating bird diet, papakainin rin po natin si Bingo. If raptors eat meat, ano naman kaya sa kanila? So as you can see, may binibigay na pagkain si Kuya Gerald kay Bingo. Ang tanong, ano kaya yung pagkain na binibigay ni Kuya Gerald kay Bingo? Hindi po yan cheese curls. That's a papaya. That's right, because hornbills like Bingo are frugivores. And frugivores are type of birds na kumakain ng prutas like mango, papaya, banana, or any type of fruit that is available in the forest land area. So, palakpakan naman po natin si Kuya Gerald at ang ating napakagandang Rufus Hornbill na si Bingo. And I'm sure there are still a lot of different types of bird diet, like seed-eating bird, worm-eating bird, and a lot more.